what came in the mail. I wasn't expecting this. When my package leaked, the monomer leaked, I did, let Young Nils know. Because I didn't know maybe if they could put extra tape on it or anything. And I told them I didn't want a refund or anything else. Because I just wanted to go ahead and play with my products. And I didn't want to return anything or just mess with it. So I just told her that in the email. And then this showed up. So maybe they sent me some of the monomer that's spoiled or something. But it's a really big box. It's a really big box just for monomer. So, and it did get on the nail forms and some other stuff, but it was pretty usable. I wasn't quite sure how much after when I emailed them, because I emailed her the same day. Alright, so remember, they pack it really good with this paper. So if there is anything that leaks, the paper should soak a lot of it up. Mine was just like awful crazy. Oops, sorry. I hate you guys. Sorry. Oh my gosh. This is the whole kit. They completely gave me a whole new kit, you guys. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is such great customer service. And when they emailed me, they got back to me really soon. Oh my gosh. I ordered the gel kit with the other one too. They sent the gel kit too. Are you serious? They sent me my whole order, you guys, back. Everything didn't even get ruined. I sent her if she wanted to watch my unboxing too, to see it. Look, the box is so pretty. My other box, remember, it was all damaged. I still got cute pictures with it though. Oh my god, no smell at all. It was the other one, you could smell it outside of the shipping box. Oh my god, you guys, look, 2 brushes to everything. I'm so happy. This is like Christmas that I can get 2 of everything. 2, oh my god, look, there's no leaking at all. No moisture in the forms. I'm so flippin' excited. I'm so excited. I wasn't expecting this. And a whole gel kit. This has protein bond and everything in it. Look, these are so much tighter. These bottles, like the other one, remember, if you watch my other video, I unscrewed it super easy. These are super tight. What? These are way tighter. They are super full again. These are way tighter. This was so awesome of them to do, and for them to get a hold of me and everything. And then the email, right away on the emails. The 2 scrubbers, look, they're different colors. The other one, I have it right here because I've been playing with the products and doing videos. So these come in different colors when you get your packs. That's so cool. It always has the same dip powders though. Yeah, double check. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is killer. Nothing was wrong with this. Like, I mean, I'm sure the box and stuff like that, but they replaced this also. They replaced my whole order of what was, and I mean, it did leak everywhere, but that was just so incredible of them to do. And they got a hold of me. Oh, remember the one was a little dirty. if you watch the video, which I don't know why, if it was like ink or something from the monomer spilling everywhere, the inks were probably dyeing everything. I think that's probably why the other one had a dirty cap on it. Look at this. This is incredible. This stuff is so nice. There's definitely a flute because I mentioned about the tape, but the lids are so tight. You wouldn't even think they would need tape because they're extremely tight. Like they're like really, really tight. It takes a lot. And then it has a little, you can tell it's real tight. Like it might be a little locking mechanism, but not really a locking mechanism. Just like maybe where the seal is up at the top, it screws really far into the seal. So it makes it extremely tight. And mine just weren't screwed down all the way, I bet. And that's machines. You can't help that. I'm sure like the machines fill them up and tighten them down or something, and it loosens up after every 2,000 bottles or something like that. This was incredible. Thank you so much, Young Nels. Not that they'll see the video or anything. This is awesome, you guys, and it makes you so much trustworthy if you're going to spend a large amount of getting a dust collector or a nail file. They have their new nail electric files out. Why would you not trust your money, a big purchase like that, into a company? You know for sure they have good customer service. You know for sure if anything happens that you're going to be able to get a hold of them in an appropriate amount of time. They're going to take care of it probably in the most appropriate way. It seems like a no-brainer choice to me. I mean, make sure you're not purchasing products from companies that you're not going to be able to get a hold of. I don't care who reviewed the product and stuff. Sometimes you got to look farther into these things and know about real purchases, not just product reviews. There's a big difference when companies are sending these product reviews, and then when a real customer goes to purchase from these companies, they don't get any help. I know because I've been the customer at multiple of these companies, and this was beyond incredible. They had really good customer service. That was awesome. Thank you, Young Nels. I appreciate it. I love you guys.